Hey guys, we're going to solve question number 1 here. The cone has a slant height of 37 inches and a diameter of 24 inches. What is the height? So let's start off by labeling this triangle. So slant height is the height that's a slant. So that's going to be, technically we could label both of these, but we don't need to. The diameter means the whole way across the circle, right? Radius is halfway. So the whole way across is 24 inches. So again, we still don't have a right triangle here, and we want to use the Pythagorean theorem. So let's add our height here. If we add our height going straight down, well, now we have two right triangles, right? So if I put that right angle there, now you can see that right triangle a little better. So if the whole diameter is 24, that means that the radius is 12. So I'm going to label this as 12. And I'm missing the height here. Okay, let me change the color. Well, now I want to label my right triangle. So side C is the one across from the right angle, right? So the side C is going to be 37 on this one. And A and B, they don't matter. So I'm going to label A as 12, and I'm going to be missing B. So once I got everything labeled, now I want to set up my equation and plug in, right? So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 37 is going to go in for C. 12 is going in for A. And I'm missing B, so I'm going to leave it as B squared. Line down the equals. Let's see if we can do the squares first. So 12 times 12 is 144, right? 37 times 37 is 1,369. So again, I got to solve for B, so I got to get B by itself. So I got to get rid of that positive 144 on the left side. I'm going to subtract it. Whatever I do to one side, got to do to the other. So I'm going to subtract 144 from both sides. This canceled out. I'm left with B squared equals 1,225. My last step is to get rid of that square by taking the square root of both sides. So if I take the square root of both sides, the square root of 1,225, oops, I didn't need that, is going to be 35. So my answer is 35 inches. So the height of this problem will be 35 inches. And that makes sense because the slant height should be a little bit longer, and it is. All right, hope that helps.